If you're looking for how to delete all projects at once on CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to mass select your drafts and delete them in just a few clicks. This is perfect if your CapCut workspace is cluttered, you want to clear old projects, or you simply want a fresh start on your desktop app. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, launch the CapCut desktop app and wait for the main home dashboard to load. This is where you'll see your recent drafts and saved projects. Depending on how many edits you've made, your screen may look a little crowded, but that's exactly what we're cleaning up today. Now look for the menu or projects area where all of your recent drafts are displayed. You should see your project tiles laid out on the screen. Here's the important part. Left-click on any blank space between the project tiles or just next to them. Don't click directly on a project itself. Instead, click and hold in an empty area so you can start selecting multiple drafts at once. While still holding the click, drag your cursor across the projects you want to remove. As you move across the screen, CapCut will begin mass highlighting the drafts. You'll notice blue check marks appearing on the selected projects, which tells you they're ready for deletion. If you want to delete everything in the area, keep dragging until all the projects you want are selected. If CapCut shows you a number of projects selected button, you can use that as another quick way to select all. In some cases, you may select a few first, and then press the button that appears to expand the selection to all available drafts. This is a useful shortcut when you want to save time instead of manually dragging over every single project. Once all the projects you want are checked, look at the bottom of the screen for the Delete button. You can click that button directly, or if you prefer a keyboard shortcut, just press the Delete key on your keyboard. Either option will send the selected projects toward the trash. A pop-up warning will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. This is your last chance to double-check that you've selected the right projects, so take a moment to review everything carefully. If you're sure, confirm the pop-up to send the drafts to the trash. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete all projects at once on CapCut using the desktop app. This is a really simple way to clean up your workspace and keep your editing dashboard organized. If you found this helpful, please tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.